Cybersecurity describes the confidentiality, the availability and the integrity of data, and we need cybersecurity, for example, to protect our systems so that no theft of personal data is happening. In 2027 in the European Union, two regulations concerning cybersecurity will come into place. First, the machine regulation, but even more important, the Cyber Resilience Act. And after 2027, it's not allowed anymore on the European market to sell products without cybersecurity. ZF has started to develop an electronic control unit, our EC5, already a couple of years ago. And this controller will be completely compliant with cybersecurity. It contains an Infineon Aurix microcontroller, but it will also have a hardware security module, and also the software features will be fully compliant with the regulations coming in place.